Hi everyone, this is my Human Resource Frame, Module 7 for AEP 855. My name is Mandy Berger. I want to start with talking about what we learned in this module from our video from Bolam and Deals. The main takeaway I took from it was how it talked about how organizations are viewed more as families than what you would normally think of an organization when you think of business, and that we are primarily here, exist to serve the needs of others. It looks at the needs, the skills, and the relationships within that organization to make it run as smoothly as possible so we can ensure the success of all. The main focuses are on skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communication within that organization. The goal is to align the family, the organization, to the needs of the ones we are serving, in our case, the students. This can be done through planning, decision-making, and communication amongst everyone involved. So my frame looks a little bit different than several of my classmates. I don't, there's the pyramid type frame, there's the ladder frames, there's the building block frames. I really saw this and it really stuck out to me. I like the circle. I like that really no one is at top. I do feel like the students are the most important, so I put them in the center because without them we wouldn't be here. And they are that main person we're trying to serve. So like the video told us, they are the reason why we're here. They're why we exist. So theoretically, they should be in the middle. They should be the core of our frame. And then I wanted to start with the principal because we need leadership. Without leadership, things tend to run amok. They don't run as smoothly. So it's good to have leadership, and we need a leader with a good vision, a clear vision, and a vision that we all can stand behind. And then I kind of just went through the staff, and kind of put them in order. Although they do go clockwise from the right. I don't know that one is necessarily any more important than the other because we all need each other for the school to run smoothly. I have the office staff next to the principal because, to be honest, without our secretaries, a lot of us would be lost. They do more work for us than we realize, and they handle the day in and the day outs of a lot of what the students need and what parents. They handle phone calls. They're just pretty awesome. And then I put teachers as educators next. Without us, the students would, although they can learn online, we're here to give them, hands-on help. We are certified. We've been educated. And we're here to do a job and to provide them with the service. And then we have paras because, to be honest, without para support in a lot of our classrooms, it would be hard to get the kids the help they need to be successful. Next, I have cooks, custodians, and the maintenance crew. They keep our school running smoothly. They keep our building standing and keep us heated in the winter and cooled in the summer. And they're important. And they keep our hallways picked up. And after games on Friday nights, we show up to school Monday and our gym's cleaned, ready to go. They are those ones that stand back in the shadows and do all the work, and more often than not, they're not thanked. And without them, our school would, I wouldn't say struggle, but without them, we would have to step up. They do a lot for us. Then I have alumni and volunteers. And I know volunteers wasn't on our list, but our school brings back a lot of old graduates. We call them grandparents. They come in, especially at the grade school level, and they read to the kids. They'll do some one-on-one with the kids. The little kids really seem to love it, so I put them together. And lastly, I have community rounding off my circle. And I put community last, not that it's the least important, but I feel like when we make a full circle and we're joined together, not only are we bringing in the outside community, we as a school have formed a community, that family that they were talking about in the video. And without the outside community and without the community that we've built amongst ourselves, we wouldn't be able to meet the needs of all of our students. So that's why I put students in the center and why I think they are the most important, and why I formed my frame as a circle, because we really need each other to be successful. Without students, we wouldn't have a job, and without us, students would struggle to learn, and like I said, we need this community fit. A good fit, like our videos said, benefits all of us. A bad fit, we tend to struggle. So I hope you liked my frame. Thank you.